This is Tate's first drink of bacon soda.
Hold the baking soda up so people can see the label.
Yummy. Okay, taste it and see what it tastes like.
I like it.
What does it taste like?
What does it taste like?
Grayson,
like
now you
bacon
try
and
it.
Soda.
It's like bacon and soda.
Here, let me try it.
Okay.
It doesn't. It
Okay.
actually tastes really good.
Alright, go ahead.
I need a glass of water.
Zoe, I'm recording, so you just gotta try it.
I already tried it, and I don't need one. It's actually really good.
Oh, it's horrible.
Give it to Daddy.
Let Gracie
Oh.
try.
I love it. It's good.
What does it taste like, Zoe?
Bacon with like a Sprite in it. Like bacon grease with Sprite in it.
Alright, let's let Daddy try.
What does it taste like? Does it taste good?
It tastes like bacon grease with Sprite.
It's really good,
It
actually.
tastes like popcorn.
What do you think?
No.
Is
I
it
don't
pretty
like it.
terrible? Here, okay, I'm gonna